What's up, guys? Alright, so got a map or a game we're gonna play today. It's called Kill Switch. It's like a Russian roulette version in Minecraft. Today we have Mr. Pro Noobs 3 with us,
Hello.
and we have All Star 35.
Is that really?
Say
Wow.
hello.
What's up?
Or just stay crouched and fail. No one can see your name. Alright, so the simple rules of the game, guys. What it is, we're gonna go. We're just
Switches.
we're gonna take turns, and
Play
one at a time we're
Minecraft
gonna flip a
Russian roulette.
switch, and whoever hits the wrong switch, pretty much is gonna kill us all. But
Blow
they're gonna
up.
be the fail. So I guess I'll go first.
Uh-oh.
Getting away
Uh-oh.
from you.
And
Get out of my corner.
haha, yes,
You got one?
I got
Yeah, I'm
one.
gonna flip this one right next to him.
Okay.
Oh.
All right, it's your go,
Oh.
All Star.
What's your first one he flips? Blow us up.
Why is it not flipping? It's not flipping.
What does it say when you try to flip it?
You hitting your right button.
Yeah? It's not
You
flipping.
might have to OP under this. Might be set as spawn. So
There, okay, I'll flip it for you.
Got it. Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna go with
Hey, you right click, right?
this one up here. Aha! It's good. All right, bro. Let's see what you got. Oh, quick choice. All right. Here
What?
you go,
How
All Star.
How come it won't click for me? This is messed up.
Hold on. Give
I
me
got
just a second here. You working on it, James? There
now
you go.
try it.
No, there
Got
you
it.
go.
Ah!
Okay.
Got it.
All right. So he clicked the one that we hadn't clicked on anything in the wall yet, and I believe I'm gonna go with another one on the top. Aha! I got it. All right.
My guess is gonna be on the bottom. Is what you're
Mr. Noob Man. That's
All
your
right.
go.
All Star, your go.
My go? Oh, okay. I'll see. Go to the bottom here.
Ooh,
Woo!
decision to go to the bottom. I think I'm gonna stay with the top. Ah. All right. Here we go, Mr. Pro Noob. All Star. Oh, he killed us! Kill switch! Oh,
Hey, I lived.
oh, that's great.
I lived.
That's great. Oh man.
I gotta get out of the lava. Get out of the lava!
Well, that is going to conclude today's video.
Oh,
Seeing as
wow.
how All-Star decided to choose the wrong one. Russian roulette, you lose.
That is funny.
Alright,
Can't-
well,
there we go.
till next time, take it easy, guys.